Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 68 of Building the Batmobile. In this issue, we're doing some more of the interior central console. Catwoman's Amazing Maze, the Catwoman Goeth. This is from December the 29th, 1966. We're up to the end of the year, ending the year with Catwoman, although there's a couple more episodes to go. Sleepless in Spaghetti Island. Some interesting sets. The Clash of Cape and Cowl. And Superman again. That's the traditional slap thing. That's where it actually comes from. Don't tell me I'm wrong, you brat. Proving Superman's guilt is a whole mission in life. Okay, interesting. Not the real Batman or the real Robin. Yeah, that's the famous meme, isn't it? There we go. So, that's what we got. Batman in 97. Batman and Robin. Freeze. Poison Ivy. Batgirl. All good stuff. So this is the central console, fitting the gear shift and buttons. What was the bit that we fitted last time? Wasn't that the gear shift? Oh, that must have been the handbrake or something. I don't know what that bit we fitted was. But there we go. And we've got a panel with some buttons on there, the gear shift in there. And that's that, the gear shift head. And that is the central console. Pretty much done. Then I assume we're going to be fitting that to the other bit at some point, but not yet. Right, let's clear this out of the way. Let's get that built. Okay, so we've got our big main panel, which we are first putting a button on. We've got two blue buttons. One for here and one for there. So one goes onto there in the bottom of that bit. The right way round. There is a cut out side. That'll only go in one way round. Can't do that. Get some tweezers out to get that all the way down. Oh, there we go. That's that on there. The other one goes on to here. Again, with the flat side. Only go one way round. I can't get that lined up. Terribly small. It's just a little bit fiddly because there's not much to actually grab hold of. There you go. That's that one on there. And then that goes on there. Place like so. Nice shiny chrome bits. Then we need to build the gear shift. So we've got that and that goes in there. The underside, that goes in there from the underside. That will hold that in place. Just like the bit on the other side, on the other piece. Get that lined up. We need two screws to hold that together. Now we're going to have to get that in place again. One side is closer than the other, so you've got to get it the right way round. That way round. In line. Some of these are trickier than others to get lined up properly. No, they're still not going in the right place. Let's try the other side, see if I have more luck with that. Oh, that's come through there. Why is that come all the way through? That's interesting. Be able to escape. And if you put it hard enough, it will come all the way through. So, treat it gently. Try that again then. One on there. That through there. That's gone in. Now the other side should line up better. No, that's not even close to lining up. What am I doing wrong? That's not right. That's not going to fit in there. That is the wrong piece. Let's have a look what we got from last time. Got that. That's another one of those pieces. It's not the same piece that I need for that. Those holes are in a different place to those holes. So that won't actually do that. So what I will do will be to forget about that. I will glue that in place. It doesn't need to move or anything, so that's not a problem. I shall get that glued in place. That will go in the tip there, like so. That will go on there, like that. Pushes in place, the pin's in there. Like that. So yes, I'll just get that glued in place like that. It's probably going to be fine, just pushing in place as it is. But I will glue that in place just to make sure it can't go anywhere. That's interesting. Just supplied the wrong part on there. I could probably drill it out and fit it on there, but it's not too bad. So there you go. That will do that. Then that will be what goes on there, won't it? Fit on there like that. And that is going to fit on there. Like that. So there we go. That's what we're going to end up with so far with the interior. It's coming together. It's minimalist and basic compared to a lot of, more modern interiors. But I'm happy with that. That's all good. So there we go. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you next time for more of this, and stay safe. Bye-bye for now.